Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to make a triangle in Illustrator. First open the Illustrator, then create a document. Then go to the select polygon tool from the toolbar. And simply click this. Slide 3 and radius 200 if you want to. Then OK. Now we make a triangle, but don't show color. Click on the color icon on the left side and change the color. After change color, we see black color around the angle. If you remove the black color, click on the stoke icon from the left side and click on the none. Now we make a triangle. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.